Hello dear viewers, in today's video, we will discuss something that might surprise you, the link between vitamin deficiency and wrinkles. Now we all know that wrinkles are a natural part of aging, but did you know that vitamin deficiency can actually accelerate the process? So if you are someone who is concerned about premature aging or just want to keep your skin healthy, then the recipe that I will share today can help you to get all the vitamins for your skin health. Before we move further, if you are new to our channel, then please press the subscribe button with bell icon. Thank you. First, understand which vitamins are healthier for your skin. Vitamin C, E, A, and B3 are all crucial to maintaining a healthy skin. Vitamin C helps to promote collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from damage caused by free radical. Vitamin A helps to improve skin texture and reduces fine line, while vitamin B3 helps to increase skin hydration and reduces the appearance of dark spot. Now, if you are looking for a natural way to get all the vitamins, your skin needs to try incorporating this delicious smoothie recipe into your daily routine. It's packed with all the essential vitamins for healthy skin, and it tastes also wonderful. To make a smoothie, you will need 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, ½ cup of unsweetened almond milk, ½ cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of chia seed. Simply blend all the ingredients together and top it with. You can have a delicious and nutritious smoothie that's packed with vitamin C, E, A, and B. The link between vitamin deficiency and wrinkles is very obvious, but good news is that through this drink, which right now we have shared, you can give all the nutrients, what is required for your skin. Have this drink and your skin will thank you for this. Stay in touch and be healthy.